Yo guys, this is Mozenland. So today I'm going to show you how you can make a
Yo guys, this is Mozenland. So today I'm just going to make a short video but very important for all who are using a Photoshop Touch, being a graphic designer or just editing on a Photoshop Touch. So
guys, this is Mozenland. So today guys, I am going to show you guys how you can add a effects.
Yo guys, this is Mozenland. So today I'm going to show you how you can make a better. Yo guys, this is Mozenland. So today I'm going to show you how I made my logo.
Yo, what's up guys, this is Mozenland. Well, I still remember that. So yeah, I'm here not because I am back to this channel, because I just want to make a proper video to say goodbye. Yes, I am going to say goodbye. Probably I didn't uploaded that much because I'm thinking about, you know, quitting on YouTube, quitting on this channel. I already make that decision on April, on the month of April, which is my birthday. So yeah, I just hope that this channel helps you and I helps you too. I just didn't feel like doing some Minecraft videos stuff because I know probably plenty of my subscriber, or most of my subscribers, subscribed on my channel because of Minecraft tutorials, Minecraft speed arts like that. I just didn't feel like doing it anymore, and I don't want to force myself just to make a video on this channel. So yeah, I want to say goodbye, but first I want to say thank you for 4,000 subscribers. Yes guys, we just hit 4,000 subscribers, so thank you very much for that. But sadly, I will say goodbye. So yeah, that is the bad news, if it's bad news for you or good news. The good news is I have a new channel, which is Dakimomo. Yeah, that's weird. So yeah, I just uploaded my first ever tutorial there. So it's about, you know, still Android phone, but not about Minecraft now. So I will be making more Android editing, video editing, some for some apps or graphics still, but still using phone, but not Minecraft now. So I hope you still like it, and I'm not forcing you to subscribe on it. I'm not forcing you to go on my new channel. I'm not forcing you to like it. But if you're still my supporter, if you want to learn some stuff from me, still support me, just go to the link in the description down below, you know, then subscribe and be active. Please be active. I will be uploading every week on that channel because I'm still, I'm not busy sometimes, you know. So yeah, that is it guys. So I hope you still like this video, and I hope this channel helps you. Sadly, I will say goodbye now for this channel. So I'll see you on the new channel, I guess. I hope so. So yeah, goodbye, and I will see you on my new channel. Goodbye.